So here in Chiang Mai, we have come to a place called the Ginger Farm Kitchen. Has a few other location sites here, but apparently has a Michelin star. So we're gonna see how good their food is. This one is fried tilapia. We have some fried shrimp, an egg dish with some sort of green vegetable, sticky rice, a blue dyed rice, brown rice, white rice. This is a beef dish and a brown sauce over, and green curry, which you probably see a lot of green curry if you've been in Thai restaurants in America. The rest, it's kind of new. So let's see how things taste. We're going to start with the fried shrimp. Here's the sauce that came with the fried shrimp. Interesting. I'll tell you that reminds you. But I did taste some sesame oil in there. That really reminded me of a McDonald's chicken nuggets, believe it or not. When you dip it in that the sweet and sour sauce, the McDonald's chicken nugget, had that same flavor to me. Maybe things have changed, but that's my best comparison. It is a sweet and sour sauce. It didn't sound like it's got like a little bit of sesame in there as well, so the oily. On the shrimp, yeah, just had a little crispy. Not jelly crispy, is okay. Let's go with the green vegetables and egg dish. Oh, tomato in there too. The sticky rice, very sticky. Eggs are quite flavorful. The green vegetable adds a nice texture as well as a good flavor overall to that dish. Definitely savory. The egg is good. A little bit of soy sauce in there. Tastes like some pretty good egg. All right, let's go with, let's just see what this blue rice. Add a little green curry with that. Very green curry. Like one thing I noticed in Thailand itself, at least, both places have had green curry before. Something we don't see in America is that it comes with these capers. The taste, you got green curry in America, it tastes pretty much the same. Basil forward, that's a little green. Is there some basil, Thai basil? A little caper. Yeah, pretty big caper there. All right, let's go with the beef. Beef dish, the brown sauce with white rice. So they said this is supposed to be one of the better dishes. That's a very tender beef. It's a more like a beef stew type beef. See? That flavor is quite unique. Think about that flavor. That flavor seems a lot like a beef stew. Well, the texture of the beef stew. Kind of like a beef stew you might get in America, but the sauce is a lot thicker. A nice brown sauce. And flavored a little differently. I feel like there's some special flavors going on there. It's making it a little more very curry-esque like. That's actually a really good dish. Nice tender beef, nice and juicy, easy to eat. Lastly, the tilapia. This also comes with two different sauces. This smells like the same sauce they use for their shrimps. Go ahead and see how crispy this tilapia might be. Wow. That is nice. Very crispy. That sweet sauce tastes really nice on there. Little sour sauce. That's a nice, crispy, and tender fish. That is a really good fish. Let's try with the green sauce. This is more of a spicy sauce. Peppery sauce. Oh, that is the dish. That right there. It's really good. Crispy. The spicy sauce. Got this little green spice going on there. Put like a fish sauce, like an anchovy fish sauce, as well as green peppers, a nice spicy flavor going on there. Really good flavor to add to that fish. Whether you go sweet or spicy, You can't go wrong with that one. That is probably really good. One of the dishes, probably the best of the night. Deep fried tilapia. I can see in our restaurants in Chiang Mai. Let's go to the next place.